Hey guys, welcome back to Len app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use voucher code in Lazada. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and open up Lazada here. You want to log in into your account, and from here on, you want to start adding items into your cart. In this case, you want to go ahead and select one of the items here and just basically click on the add to cart option. Now, once you've done that, what we need to do next is we just need to view our cart. Let's go and click on view our cart. Now, what we need to do is we just need to select all the items that you want to check out and click on checkout. Now, from here, you want to scroll down a bit until you see the section under the select payment methods. Now, under the payment methods that you see here, you have the option that says enter voucher code. In this case, you just want to type in your voucher code here. And from then on, once you press on enter here, it will be automatically applied into your order. Now, by the way, voucher codes actually has some specific, like for example, requirements. So you might, certain vouchers might require you to use a certain card, or you need to add certain items for you to be eligible for use on that specific voucher. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.